Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the speed up tricks on the POCO C85. Alright, we can begin with opening up the developer options and a few things that we can adjust in them. So to get access into developer options, we need to open up our normal settings. Now click on About Phone, and now in here we have the operating system version. We need to tap on it, and now we can see that we are a developer. Now scroll down, all the way down, click on Additional Settings, scroll down again and find Developer Options. In here we need to find 4 specific options that we can adjust to gain some free speed. So let's keep scrolling until we find the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. As you can see, all 3 of them are set on 1x, that's the default value. And to improve the speed of our device and its performance, we can select each one of those 3 options into off. We can completely turn off the animation, or at least put them on 0.5. But simply don't go higher than 1x because it will only slow your device. For me, the perfect balance between off and 1 is 0.5, so I'll select all 3 options into that value. Just like that, now we can scroll down a little bit to the downside until we find the apps and the background process limit. We can set from standard into at most 3 or at most 4. It's up to you. So that also can help with the performance of our device, so I'll stick with that values. Now we can go back simply from our settings. Also, we have the security button right in here on our home screen, so let's click on that, and let's perform also a cleanup. But before it, we can see that in here we have the optimize button. It's always worth to click it when we have that possibility. Thanks to that, we'll gain some speed also. You can see that, for example, the cache has been cleared, and thanks to that, we can gain some free speed. Let's simply wait until everything is done in this process. Okay, you can see that we have optimized some things. Also, we can, for example, solve the problems on our device, so let's click on Fix. Okay, that's all. As we go back, we can also click on the cleaner right in here. It will search up for the things that are available to delete on our device. Don't worry, it's not any of your personal data, it's the cache files and other things that are not yours simply, so you won't delete any of your data, so don't worry, it won't cause nothing bad. Okay, in here we can see that we have 10 apps that we haven't been used for a long time, and it's always good to simply uninstall those apps because they're only taking up storage space, and you need to have in mind that if you have more storage space, your device will be working faster. So we can click on uninstall. In here it's scanning for the apps, and in here, for example, I'm not using the TikTok, so I want to uninstall it, or for example the Blockbust. You need to also remember that some of those apps in that list are the system apps, and it's not available to uninstall them, so simply be aware of that and be cautious. Okay, I have uninstalled those things. Pretty cool thing. Next thing is the boost speed feature. We can click on that. Okay, we can click on boost speed. Just like that. We have freed up 608 megabytes. We can also see that our device is 7% faster right now. Pretty cool thing. I have shown you that cleaner, yes. So we want to go back this time. We can also boost the RAM. We can click on OK. We can also go into the battery, and we can change from the current mode into the... Oh, in here we don't have the power mode, so that's my bad. I thought we will have it, but we only have the balance. So nothing in here, my bad. We can also click on the deep clean, And in here also we can uninstall the apps to get some free storage space and also clean up data. Simply select them and click on delete. Pretty easy thing. Also, if you have a lot of apps opened in the background, because you know, when we are using our device for a longer period of time, there is a chance that in recent apps we have a lot of apps opened in the background. We don't want it because they're only taking our RAM away, and because of that our device might be working slower. So if you have a lot of apps open in the background, simply close them by performing this move, and you will free up RAM thanks to that. Also, if you want, you can download some third-party cleaning apps from the Play Store. Simply type cleaning or cleaner. You will have a whole list of apps that you can download as an additional apps. But remember that before downloading anything, it's always good to read the reviews about the app. But in my personal opinion, the cleaner that is provided in our POCO in the security app is completely fine. Also, we have the cleaner right next to it. Okay. Also, the last thing that we need to remember about is a reboot of our device, because sometimes the reboot also can help. Reboot works in that way that it closes the apps that are running in the background, our device rests, we can say in that way, and also the RAM gets freed up. This can help with problems such as long time of opening the apps, or for example when our device gets frozen or lagged sometimes. Performing a reboot from time to time, regularly, for example once a week, is completely enough, is good for your device health and its performance. So to perform a reboot we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and holding up button, just like that, and now simply drag this white ball into the reboot, release your finger. Our device now will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be automatically turned on and it will be ready to use. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.